Hi friends, 8th March is a very important day for all of us. We all celebrate Women's Day on this day. And there are many ways we celebrate Women's Day. But one way is to remember great women leaders, right from Savitribai Phule to maybe up to Kalpana Chawla, and many more. And you can go on, list is endless. You can go on thinking about and remembering the great work these women leaders have done. I don't want to talk about that today. It will be remembered by all and it will be celebrated, but I want to talk about common woman, common girl. I want to tell you today, common woman is also a great leader and she is demonstrating these leadership values very well in her life. You may be surprised to hear this. We meet all common women in our life at home and in at our office place or everywhere. And you must be thinking they are not great leaders. We see them. They are very common people, like common man. But no. Let's talk about the leadership qualities of common woman. The first and foremost in leadership is change management. They say in this world, only thing constant is change. And managing change is a great leadership quality. So I want to explain you, or I want to tell you, friends, how women demonstrate this value. When a girl marries, she changes her place. She goes from one family to another family. She changes her surname. Sometimes she changes her name. She goes in a different culture and the way she manages. In fact, once I asked a lady after, say, maybe 6 months after her marriage, how are the things? And she had a love marriage. So I said, you must be very happy you are married to the person which you wanted to. She said, I am not married to a person. I am married to a family. And actually, that sentence struck me. Yes, when girl marries to a man, she actually not marrying to a person, but she is marrying to the entire family. She has to deal with many people, many relatives of that person, the friends of that person. And there is no great example that how a woman manages this change management. You meet any woman after 3 4 years of marriage, she has completely changed. She has seamlessly adopted the new surname, the new culture and new things. Not only that, she has also added the good part of her earlier life in the new family. So friends, salute to all girls, all women for managing this change. So they are great leader in change management. Another important leadership quality is team management. And they say it is very difficult to manage team because everybody is different. And nowadays they talk about cross cultural team, cross country team. And it is not easy to manage a team. So a great leader manages his or her team very well. Friends, I want to tell you, every woman who marries and goes to the another family manages team of different culture, not only culture, different age. Like she manages children, she manages her husband, she manages her in-laws, she manages the maids, she manages the shopkeepers, she manages vegetable vendors, and as they say, list is endless. She is managing so many people having different background, and the way she communicates with each and every category is different. The way she motivates each and every category is different, and this is the great example of team management she does very easily. And for that, again, I want to say salute to all women who manages all these things very efficiently. So this is the second quality who every woman does and demonstrate. Another important quality of leadership, and I will not give the name of that quality. First, I want to describe, and this is for the all women who are called housewife or nowadays homemaker. Now, Supreme Court also recognized that housewife or homemaker, they contribute a lot, not just physically but financially also. But I'm not going into that legal thing. I want to tell you what housewife or homemaker contributes. And I want to show you a picture which you might have seen on WhatsApp, or there are many messages, or on Instagram. This is the picture which is drawn by 8th standard boy to describe what his mother does during the day. And friends, I don't want to say anything because this picture talks a lot. Thousands and thousand words it says. So, not only male, even some female, they say that housewife or homemaker, they are treated at little lower level than normal working woman. But with this picture, I want to tell you how much work, how much things are managed by housewife or homemaker. It is not easy. When we go to office and we manage some teams, we feel we have done a great work and we flaunt about it. But this woman or this lady is managing this, and the important leadership quality is this she is doing as a selfless act, and that is very important quality of leadership. She is not expecting anything from her children or her husband or in-laws or many more what we call stakeholders in her life. She manages it without any interest, without anything. It is a real selfless act and real quality of leadership. So these are the three qualities, but let me tell you, friends, there are many more. But I don't want to go on telling you all the qualities because you can find out with the example of these three things. You can find out there are many more leadership or management qualities every woman is having. So you must be wondering what is my message to, and is my message is to only male community or female community? My message is to both male community to understand, recognize these qualities of every woman, and all woman viewers, all females. I want to tell you that don't fight for equality. Whenever you are fighting for equality, you think you are little inferior. You are not. In fact, just what three qualities I told you, you may find many more in you. You have much more qualities than a man has got. You have little edge over male community. My request to you is be aware of these qualities in you. Nurture them, develop them, be happy. If you are happy, you can make whole world happy. That's all. Happy Women's Day. Thank you very much.